Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is another video on Canva. I'm going to do a tutorial on how you can manipulate text and also add shadows to your text in Canva. Apart from that, I'll also show you how you can place images into a frame using Canva. Please, if you are just coming on my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a big thank you to you. I really appreciate your support. So guys, let's get back to the tutorial. So I'll be creating a new design using Instagram post for my dimensions. So that's just loading up right now. And starting from there, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up an element. I will be selecting the square element for this video. I just want to create a simple design. Please guys, don't get at me at this design because I know it's not going to be perfect. It's just something to show you what you can do, how you can manipulate some things in Canva. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to adjust the shape to fit what I want to do. I have no idea what I'm trying to do. I'm just working around with what I have to create something. So I will just walk around with the element to create something. I don't know. I'm sure I'm going to get something at the end of it. So guys, keep watching. So now I'm going to try and pick up a frame. In this frame, I'm going to put in my pictures. So what frames allow you to do is you can actually shape your pictures to however shape you want, and Canva allows you to just pick up any kind of frame that you can use for that picture. So you just drag the picture over the frame and then voila, it sits in, and you can double click to adjust the picture, increase the size, and click on done when you're done adjusting. So that's basically how you can place a picture inside a frame in Canva. Just as simple as that. That's it. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do now is do a bit text manipulation. So here I'm going to try to create a text, give it different colors, and also add a shadow to the text. So I'm going with beautiful. It's so easy. After writing the text, I'm just adjusting the size to fit how I want it to look on my design. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and select each of this text. I'm going to select it and give it a separate color each, because I don't want the colors to be all the same. So I'm going to just give it like 3 different colors: white, red, and blue. So I'm just selecting where I want the color to take effect and then give it the color I want. So the next one is the IFUL, and that's it. I'm just going to give that color blue. Yeah, so now I have beautiful having 3 different colors. This sits well because I already have a background that has blue. So there I'm placing the white part of the beautiful, and then the other part on the white background. So basically you can do that. You can definitely change colors, use different colors. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm duplicating that by pressing Ctrl D to duplicate the beautiful text I have there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to position the beautiful with the black color to the back. So after that, I reduce the transparency because that is one of the ways I'm going to use to create shadows. So I just adjust it to fit how I want the shadows to be. So if you're trying to adjust and you're not feeling it very well, you can just use your arrow keys to just adjust it to fit how you shadows to be. The shadows can be right, the left, top or bottom. It depends on how you want. So that's it. That's how I create beautiful text with different colors and a shadow. So the next one I'm going to do is I'll try and create another text. So I'm using my name to create this text, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it, like, make it looks more like a 3D image, a 3D text. So that's what I'm trying to do right here. So I'm going to go through the same process, which is duplicating the file that I have there. So you can see how it looks like right now. I just duplicated and I'm changing the color. The one at the top, I'm changing the color to white, and the one behind, I have the color at black. I think I'm not really okay with that. I can just change the color back. Yeah, so I'm just going to change that to, yes, blue, and I think red will be fine. I don't know, the white looks somehow, so I'm just going to use red. So now what I'm doing is I'm just adjusting this to fit well the way I want. So it's having a 3D kind of look. It's not really looking like a shadow right now. So it's looking like I have a very thick Faidat written there. So that's how I can just walk around with different texts, changing fonts and making it suit how I want, adjusting the size and also giving it shadows. So I can just, but to make it easy for me to pick up this text, I can just group them so I can move them around without affecting how I have already set them to be. So I think I'm done with this design right now. I am totally done. The other thing I'm just doing is just moving around the images and everything to sit well. I'm trying to see if it's going to actually look really nice. So that is it, guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your every time support. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also leave in the comment section the kind of tutorial you want me to post next, or if there is any question you want to ask regarding this video. I'll be there. I will be reading through the comments and I'll also be replying you guys. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Please click right now. Click that button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.